Tired of always having sick calls and impacting yours or your business's productivity negatively? Hi, thanks for visiting our video. We are Shallom family-owned cleaning service in Winnipeg and its surrounding area. We provide commercial cleaning services with the highest standard of cleanliness. I know you're searching for cleaning services in Winnipeg and you're finding us online everywhere because we know what we are doing. There are three major concerns when hiring cleaning services in Winnipeg: quality, attention to detail, and holding to the budget. And those are the three aspects our company was built on. Our first focus is on the quality of service and product we offer. We know how to offer quality services besides, and more importantly, we specialize in designing a program that fits each customer's unique budget. We know what we are doing. We are offering these services knowing that your business's efficiency and productivity is dependent upon the well-presented, safe, sanitary, and clean work environment. We ask how we did after every service with our simple and innovative feedback system. We know you're watching this video because you have cleaning problems for your commercial facility, and we are here for you with our solution. But if you don't take the action for your problem, you'll have the consequences, which is going to affect yours or your business's efficiency and productivity. To get your solution, go to the link in the description below and have a free quote.